Ka kinhun mintri ka Sorkar jala, kala ai ka jing Mynjur ya ka jing terwa ban thied ya ka jaka ka balai point khandai spa nyepuar akar hathat muthlong lasken block West Giant Hills na ka benta bante ya ka karkhana tylliat Shynrai lakadong ne ka integrated turmeric processing plant. Haba penbena ya ka ni hadin ka jingalang ka balalong ha ka pratrik naitung umintri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma ula ong ru bakani ka project kalong kat kum gajing batha joko Sorkar pedeng ya ki jala ka than shatei la mingi bakin ithu batkin tiu ya uwei na ki mar ki baki penmi ya ka ni ka jaka la ithu na ka benta bantei ya ka integrated la ka dong turmeric processing plant la rai ban thied ya ka jaka ka bahe lai point dai spa nyapu ar akar hakador kaban kon iwei point nyo klur tingka ya kaba on kershan ki babun ki jing pendot da ka Sorkar pedeng ong ukon ran haba keren Syllad thai kubor.
The purchase of 3.9 acres of land at thied Laskin block in West Giant Hills. This is for the establishment of an integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. As you're aware, Government of India, Donor Ministry has asked every state in the Northeast to pick up one product and to promote it. And in consultation with Donor Ministry, turmeric was the product that was selected for Meghalaya. And a total project cost of about 187 crores has been finalized, out of which the Donor Ministry and Agriculture Ministry is giving the majority amount. Exact figures are not there with me, but about close to 70-80% is coming from them. And about 30 crores or 35 crores is being invested by state government. But for that process to take forward, land is required to set up this integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. This, of course, is in line with the fact that turmeric is a product that is in high demand throughout the world. It's one of the USPs that we have. And we have been promoting this product a lot. And we feel that there's a huge opportunity for the state, especially for the farmers. And in line, as I said, with this entire mission mode that the Government of India has decided with the Donor Ministry, which goes in line, of course, with the Lakadong turmeric mission that we had started 6 years back. This particular land was purchased, or rather decision was made today to purchase it, where the integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant will be set up. This is the cost is coming up to about 1.7 crores for the 4 acre, 3.972 acres, about 4 acres land.